This is how Foreplay helps you. If you're a brand or an agency or a creative strategist at either of these types of organization, if you run ads, this video is for you. Let's jump into Foreplay and get creative. This is your swipe file. It's the first of the 5 Foreplay products. This is where you're going to see every ad that you've ever saved. So gone are the days where you are trading DMs with your team or your significant other with ad inspiration that never makes it to execution, with wasted ad inspiration that never goes in making your next best performing ad. Here I can see every ad that I've saved, and I can see my team ads, and I can even save ads on the go when I'm scrolling through Instagram or TikTok by sharing them with the mobile app. Here in Discovery, I might find more ads. If I don't want to just find my inspiration when I'm on Instagram or TikTok doom scrolling, Discovery is the world's largest database of ads. And by quickly searching, adding filters, or sorting through ads here, I can find ads from the fastest growing brands. Under brands, I can see a list of the top brands and add filters for different niches. And under experts, I can see regularly updated boards by the world's most sought after marketing experts. Spider is your real-time competitor tracker. You can see every ad that any brand is running on autopilot. And Briefs is lightning fast briefs for your creators, taking your inspiration and turning it into clear instructions for your creative teams. And Lens is where you understand what creative is working and why, so you can do more of what works and less of what doesn't. That's how Foreplay helps you. If you're a brand or a creative strategist, Foreplay is your secret weapon to launching your next best performing ad. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much.